Hi friends, I'm Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see about a super Android app. It's called Design Keyboard. It have a lot of different themes, and also you can easily design your own keyboard by using this application. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. Download the Design Keyboard font and emoji application from the Play Store. It's a unique keyboard which have a lot of theme. You can see that this is one of the theme is so cute. So there's a lot of theme. First you can just preview the theme by clicking on the theme. There is a lot of theme was free only in this application. You can just click on it and you can see there is a color wise and also the theme wise. There is a lot of different type of category wise. You have the keyboard theme. So this is a beard theme, and here it's a pink color harem theme, and this is a parrot theme. So you have a lot of theme. You can also search the theme. There is something with the animation. You can just have a close look of this theme. There is a animation on the background you can see, and also you can create your own theme by going to the colors, or you can just edit by setting the background. So one of my favorite theme, you just have to click on the finish, it will automatically apply the theme. So you just click on it, preview it to see it. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with the super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique.